Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use time tracking here in Monday.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Monday.com, I need you to click the Get Started option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using time tracking in Monday.com helps you monitor how much time is spent on tasks and projects, which I believe can be valuable for project management, budgeting, and improving efficiency. Now, to start tracking time, you need to add a tracking time column to your board. And in this case, I'm going to be using this one. Click on the Add a Column on the plus button here. I want you to go to the More Columns. Basically, you need to hover down below where you can see the time tracking. There you go. You can easily track time spent on each item, group, and board. And obviously, just click this and it will be added to board. You see the time tracking button. So, for example, it's been done. This one is not yet started. Maybe you're working on it. And someone has been stuck for quite some time. And this is not started for this specific item. Now, you see, when you use the time tracking in Monday.com, it can measure the actual time spent on tasks compared to planned time to assess progress and, of course, make necessary adjustments. Based on time tracking data, you can adjust project timelines and deadlines to ensure that projects stay on track. Now, you can now encourage team members to consistently use the time tracking feature to ensure accurate data. Now, the next option that you can explore is go to the Integrate button here. So you can explore the available integrations with time tracking apps. Let's search if they have the Harvest right here. You can use that. All right, so when a time entry is created, you can create an item. You can use this template. And of course, when an item is created, create a project for a client. So if you wanted to track the time spent in your projects and tasks, you might want to use Harvest. Now, a second option is Toggle. All right, so I've been using this a lot because similar to Harvest, you can track the time spent on your project and task. Similarly, you can, if you use this template, you would be forwarded here. You can connect your Toggle account, just provide your API token, and of course, create new account and click on Connect. What will happen is, as you can see, when an item is created, create a time entry in a workspace in a project, all right? And of course, the template that you're going to use is maybe if you wanted an item is created, create a project in workspace, all right? And the last option that you can explore using Clockify, I'm not sure if they have Clockify here because I've used that in the past. In that case, let's click on the option here. I can't see any Clockify here. Maybe let's explore the marketplace if they have that. Clockify. Nothing here. There you go. Luzitech or a Clockwork time tracker. So there's a lot that you can work with. And if you use this one, Clockwork time tracking and timesheets, all they're gonna do, it's free. Just install the app. And you would be able to follow the setup instructions for the integration to sync time tracking data between Monday.com and the external tools, which is there's a lot here on the Monday Marketplace. It's all up to your disposal. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.